Let's unlock the door.
Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight.
Yay, Grandma! Come on, faster!
Hey Siri, is the door locked?
Your front door is locked.
With August Smart Lock, your phone is now your key. August lets you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. It's that easy. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. And with August proprietary DoorSense technology, you'll know your door is both closed and locked. Create secure temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys.
Beautiful, strong, stunning. Qualities that Kwikset bring to your front door with the Obsidian touchscreen lock, featuring elegant design as modern as the technology that powers it. This cutting-edge lock safeguards you and those you hold dear. With unmatched security and sophistication, protect with style, astonish with strength.
My door is always open. This is what we tell our loved ones in our homes. Now it truly can be, and you don't have to change a thing. Meet the Level Lock, the world's first invisible smart lock designed to fit seamlessly inside your door. Thoughtfully crafted for effortless installation and battery replacement. And engineered from the ground up to deliver efficiency, reliability, and quality you can trust.
This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. Security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. Guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in. Simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in deadbolt, latch, and Mortise editions with various finishes.